Welcome back for another Take 5 workout. I got my friend Joanna joining me on this one. Joanna, when's the last time you jump rope?
It's been at least 5 or 10 years.
Nice. Well, I'm excited to see how you do. Just on the little bit of warm-up, she was crushing it. So we're gonna get right into it. We're doing jump rope. We have a weighted rope as well to mix in, but then we're also gonna be doing squats and mountain climbers. Let's get into it.
First up, bodyweight squats.
Go!
Rest. Next up, jump rope.
Go!
Rest. Next up, mountain climbers.
Go!
Rest. Next up, jump rope.
Go!
Rest. Next up, bodyweight squats.
Go!
Rest. Next up, jump rope.
Go!
Rest. Next up, mountain climbers.
Go!
Rest. Next up, jump rope.
Go!
Rest. Next up, bodyweight squats.
Go!
Rest. Next up, jump rope.
Go!
Rest. Next up, mountain climbers. Go! Five, four, three, two, one. Done! Thank you for taking 5 with me today, and I will see you in the next one. And if you're in the zone, take on one of these workouts next.